Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope all you are fine. Today we will start exercise 5.10 page 118. In this chapter, find the least LCM of the given polynomial by factorization. Question number 1, 15a square x cube y square and 16a square x square y cube and 12a square y cube y x cube y 2. In this solution here, 15a square x cube y square is equal to 5 multiplied 3 into a is 3 multiples 1 2 and x we can multiply by 3 times. Similarly y multiply by 2 times from this equation, and now we again take this equation 16. So when we 5 multiply by 3 and we can write again here. So 16 multiplied factors of 16 is a square x square y cube. This we can again here multiple factors of 16 is we can make factors by this method. 16 here, and we can divide by 2 to add the 2 4 the, and again we can multiply 2 by 2 2 the and 2 2 1 the. So how many factors? 1 2 3 4. So we can write here 16 factors 1 2 3 4. Again we have open x square into 2 times and x square into 3 x into 2 times and y into 3 times. So here we can write, and this we can 2 times. Now this we can write here again this. So we can add 2 into 2, which means 4 base are same, so pin powers are at 1 1 and 1, which is 4, and a multiply a, which is a square x square and y square again. Now here next 12, here is 12a square x cube y square. We can again write here 12 factors 2 to the 4 4 multiply 3, which is also 12, and that factors of a multiply a 3 times x and 2 times of y. Now in factorizations, the LCM is the making the highest power of every variable and every coefficient in every polynomials. Here the maximum power of each polynomial here a square a square a square, all three are a square is common. So 5 multiplied 3 is different for all each polynomial. So here 3 and 3 are same, so we can take 1 time 3, 1 time 5 and 2 raised 4 1 time, because the maximum factor of in 3 polynomials. So we can again write in his form this LCM 3 multiply 5, which means 3 is 1 time from each polynomial. Here is 3, here is not, but we can choose maximum power for each 3, and 5 is here, we can choose 5, and 2 raised power 4, which is means 2 here and 2 here, 2 raised power 2, but 2 raised power 4 is maximum. We can choose 1 time 2, and a which is common in each polynomial. A here when we choose 1 time a of a square x3 with the maximum power of x cube here, x2 here and x3 here. Now we will choose the maximum power of x cube, so we can hear this. Now again y, so which is different from which is x cube is maximum in 3 polynomial. So this is the maximum power of x cube, so we can choose here this question. So the LCM of this question is 3 multiplied by 5 and this. Now we can again simplify. So this is again we can multiply, we can 2 multiply 4 times, so which is equal to 32, and a is power 2, same as it is these factors. Now again simplify LCM of when we multiply 3 variables 3, 5 and 32, which is equal to 240 and 8 square x cube y cube. Okay, this is the LCM for this factors question. Now again next question, question number 2. Now again question number 2 is here x square y square z square. So minus 2x yz y square minus z square minus x square minus 2xz. Now again solution. First of all we will factors of this polynomial. So we can take this in this form, x square into this into y square plus z square plus 2yz, because when we take common from -1 from each 3 factors, so when we take common from each, we can written in the form of sign change, plus here in plus here. So next again this we have changed the polynomial of this into factors of this. We can again we know that x square minus into this factor, can again simplify. We know that this is make a formula same like a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So here again here x a means y, b means z, so we can close this factors in this form. We can make formula again, these factors make again next formula. We know that a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So we can again these factors open in this form. Now this x here a minus b, x here means a plus b, so we can again open these brackets. Now this minus here apply here, minus y minus z, so again this factor same as it is. So now we will factors of this polynomial. Here again we can take minus from each factor, so minus z square plus x square plus 2xy. So y square minus z into x z plus x whole square. We can again close this question with the help of this formula above. We know that a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is also equal to a plus b whole square. Now again we know that again apply this formula again, a minus b, a plus b. So a y minus b, y minus same b means here z plus y, and y means a plus b, so y plus b. Again we simplify this question. So y plus z into minus factor, when we apply minus here change sign x, and y plus z plus x this. Now again here now common factors are here. When in these two polynomials the common factor is this and this, both are same, but this is also different. This different. because here minus y and here plus y, minus z here, minus z here, but minus x minus plus x. So we can common factor is this, and when we have removed this from, okay, now this and uncommon factors. So uncommon factors in the question is 2, this x minus y minus z and y minus z minus x. So this, when we multiply by these three factors, is the LCM of this, which is equal to L least common multiple. Now next question, here again find the LCM of given polynomial by factorization. Here again question number 3. You can see here question number 3, x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 2 6. Now solution here, question number x3, when we take one factor, x square plus 11x plus 6. Given polynomial can be factorization by remainder theorem. When we use remainder theorem is this: let p means polynomial of x, some which is represented by this equation. When we apply remainder theorem, which helps to make factorization, we can easily, this question is this, we can represent it by p into x, which means polynomial of x. X means each variables are here. When we put the value of x with this function of x, change the whole equation. Now the division of 6 is, when we apply remainder theorem, it should be the last term which is constant with our variable, which should be divisible by which factors, which is 1. So plus minus 1, which when we divide 1 by 6, we can easily divide it. 2 is the also factor, 2 3 the 6, 3 2 the 6, 1 the 6. So these factors are the divisible by 6. When you can choose any one of them. So I will choose x minus x. So put x is equal to minus 1. When you put these all factors in this equation, which is equal to must be 0. When you put 2, 3 and 6 for in equation x in each value of x, so this equation will be 0 when I choose x is equal to minus 1. Now we again solve to see. Now when we put here minus 1, so we can minus 1 each x value minus 1, 6 into minus 1 whole square, 11 into minus 1 this, and plus 6 here. So again simplify. When we take a root, take a power cube with a negative, which is also negative because it is odd number, and 2 is even number, so sign will be changed. So sign will be changed, minus into plus. So here minus again, no changing here due to this is a odd number. So plus 6 into plus 1, so 6 because 2 change the minus sign into plus sign. So 6 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 11 into minus 1 minus 11 plus 6 again here. Now simplify here. So we can simplify addition and subtraction. Sometimes 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0. So this is a true polynomial divisible by 1. We can take minus into again. So x is equal to minus 1 is the best factor we will choose here. So now x plus 1, when we this question, x minus into sin plus 1 is equal to 0, we can write in this form. So x plus 1 is the factor of polynomial of x1. Now we will divide this question into x plus 1. Now divisible by p of polynomial of x, with x plus 1. This equation we will divide the polynomial of factor x plus 1. Now when we multiply x2, the factor we will first of all here this. So x multiplied by x cube, because 2 here and 1 x here, so x cube. So plus multiply plus here, and x multiplied by 1 x square. We know that in this question when we divide this, and when we now we will subtract from here, so the sign will be changed in the plus here, so we will change minus, and plus here again, so we will change in minus. So this question again simplify. Now these factors should be cancelled to each other, because plus x square minus x square, so we will count minus 1, not x plus. Okay, so here plus is not, we change into minus, because we have subtract from this equation from this. So 6 minus 1, so 5 x square as it is 11. So you know that 6 is a constant, 1 is here also constant, so 6 minus 1 5, and x square is same as it is, so 6x square minus x square, so 5x square. 11x as it is, because there is no any factors to subtract from this, so plus 6 again here. Now again multiply here 5x. So when 5x into 5 and this, and 11 and 6, now we multiply this again 5x into 5 square, so 5 1s are 5x. So we'll again we subtract from this question again this. When 11 subtract from 6, 5 which is 6, and 6 again same as it is. Now 6 multiply by here, so again 6 into x 6x, and 6 into 1 6. Now we will subtract from this, so cancel to this are also cancelled to each other, and this is also cancelled to each other, this is again, so the next answer should be 0. Okay, now this, now next page. Now next page, now x cube plus 6x plus 11x plus 6 is equal to this factor. So this is the factor of this, so we have divide this polynomial of this equation and the x square plus 5x. Now again x plus into this, we will factors of this equation by factorization method. 5 into, we have, when we break 5 into 2 and 3, and the term which should be must be 3 to the 6 again, and when we plus 3 plus 2 is 5, so factor of this is this. Now x plus 1 is same as it is. When we take common x from 3, x plus 3 here, and 2 common from here, 2, and x same as it is, and 2 3 is 6, so 3 is here. This is when we 3x plus 3 same, we can take common 3x plus 3 here and x plus 3 here, so is here x minus 2 again here. Now this same question as it is. Now we will take x plus 3 common from this, so in bracket x here and plus 2, now this, so we will represent it equation 1, so it is helpful for next step. Now again take this x square, and so we will take x square minus next question this. The division of 26 is 1 plus minus 1, 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3, and 26. These all factors are divide 26, divisible 1, 2, 30. Okay, now So sorry, 3 is not divisible by 26, so I remove 23. So next here put x is equal to -1 again here. So we put x polynomial of -1 equal to, when put value of x in this equation, so -1 into cube minus here and x square -1 into x square plus 24 -1 plus 26. When simplify again this question, so -1 cube equal to -1, because 3 is an odd number, minus is again here, so -1 change into +1, so is 1. 24 minus 1 into -24 and plus 26. Now these factors 24 26 into cancel to each other and equal to 0. So this, now when x is equal to -1, x plus 1 is the factor of polynomial of x function. Now dividing polynomial of x with x plus 1. Now we will divide this polynomial of function into x plus 1. Again here this factor, now divide x plus 1. Now x plus 1 here, now we divide x2. When divide x2 to 2, so we should be x power x3 this, and sign will be changed, plus into minus x square, and when you divide x into 1 into x square, so plus and change into minus. When these factors subtract from this, now here basically these x cube cancel to each other, minus x square minus 2x square, plus 24 same as it is, plus 26 same as it is. Now plus 2x multiply by this factor, so 2x into x, here 2x square, 2 1s are 24x, so this, sorry, here we will change -2, because basically now we multiply -2x to this, so we here 2 into 2 is x square, plus 2 1s are 2x. So when these factors subtract from above this, so new factor should be here 26x plus 26. So this, when again here multiply 26, so when 26 multiply by x, 26x, so sign will be changed, plus minus, here plus minus, these factors cancel to each other, so this again now, so equal to 0. Now the factor of this is x plus 1 into x square minus 2x plus 26. When this and this multiply by this, when we again, in previous question we have now, when x square plus x plus 1 into x square plus 5x, so the factors is 1. So again when this polynomial take, again same procedure from here, so again we have multiply x plus 1 into x, these factors, so the new factors should be taken here. Common factor of both polynomial is x plus 1 here and x plus 1 here. So this is the uncommon factors now and now. Now uncommon factors, x plus 3 into x plus 2 into, this is the common factor, x square minus 2x plus 26. So LCM is equal to common factor multiplied by uncommon factors. And with these factors are multiplied to each other, this and this, the new factors should be here. No. when x plus 1 into x plus 3, so uncommon factor this and uncommon factor this. When with these multiply to each other, so new factors of LCM is now this x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 26. Question number 4, a cube minus b cube, a6 plus b6 and a12 minus b12. Solution here: a cube minus b cube into a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 1. A square a6 plus b6 is equal to a2 into 3. When we close these factors into, when we know that a cube minus b cube same this, which is equal to this. This is the same formula here. When we open this formula, we can again this factor. So again, when we take x6 plus b raised power 6, when we take in this form, 2 3 is 6 again here, and plus into b 2 into 3. Now we can break in this form: a into q plus b into q. So this is the same formula here again, so we can open same like this: a b into this factor, so same like here. So but here power 2 and a power 2 same as it is, b power 2 b power 2 is same as it is. So a power 2 2 is a 4, a square b square same here is a power 1 a power 1 b power 1. So minus again here, and now this is the plus a plus b a cube plus b cube formula. So minus b 2 here, we can again 4 because is this a power 2 and b power 2. Now again next here, now next again a power 12 and b power 12. So we can again this a power 6 12 and we can again this factor. Now this we can open a power 6 and b power 6 into this form and same as it is. So again this a power 3 and b power 3 into a cube minus b cube. Basically is the formula of a square minus b square. So a plus b and a minus b. So this a power 6 b power 6, which is equal to this. So we can put this equation here. So this factor come from here, and this is the a square minus b square formula when we open a cube plus b cube and b cube a cube minus b cube. Now next step, this a plus b, basically when we write in this form into, when we open the formula of this, same as it is when we open this, and when you open a cube minus b cube, same as it is this, and this the factor same here. Now these three, now all three equations are common factor. This a minus b into, here's a minus b here, and now here's non a minus b. So a square plus ab plus b square. So a square, now we know that a minus b this, and now in this equation all these factors are common, and here in equation 3 these all common factors here, a plus b and this factor and this factors are same here and also in this equation. So you can here a minus this equation here common factors, and this is also common factor from here. So uncommon factors in this equation is, so least common factor is equal common factor multiplied by uncommon factors. So uncommon factor we have now that this is uncommon factor a plus b and into a square ab plus b square. This is the uncommon factor and this is common factor. This is the common factor, so this is uncommon factor. From here we can take this. This is uncommon factor from equation 3, but remove all three this. So common factor multiply uncommon factor, the result here. Show this from here to this common factor, and from here to here this uncommon factor. You know that from we will taken from here, and this factor is common from this. Now again when we multiply here, so these common factors are this a minus b into a plus. Now again we will simplify a minus b, same as it is when we open this and arrangement in this way. When we a plus b, a minus b, first arrangement a minus b, and next a plus b here, and next we can write a plus square plus b square, this from here. And now we will write in this equation here, and when we arrangement in same, and next question, next a square plus ab minus b square here, and last we write in this form. Now so it's easy way to solve. Now a square minus b square, basically this make again formula a minus b into a plus b. So we can again close this formula, a square minus b square, same formula. Now again same as it is this question. Now this a plus b, we can write here this a square here, a square here, b square here, b square, a plus b after this, and same as it is a square plus b square minus ab, we can write here this equation same as it is. Now again LCM here, as we can close this equation a square minus b into a minus b into a plus b into a plus a into 4 minus b into 4. Now again this equation we can close by this formula. When we close bracket, in this form. Again here, now this we can here write in this form. This basically a plus b into a b into ab minus ab, we can write in this form a plus b whole square minus ab. When we open this equation we can again found this formula, and now same as it is this equation. Now again LCM of a plus 4 same as it is. Now we will arrange in this form a, when we open in this equation a plus b whole square, so a4 plus b4 plus 2 square a square minus ab this. Now a4 minus b4 same as it is a power 4 plus b power 4 plus a square b square. So when we subtract 2ab square from this, so we can this, and same as it is this. So we can arrangement in this a power 4 plus first we write b power 4 minus a square b square. So again this equation make next formula. Now LCM of a4 minus b4 into a square a4, when we close this equation in this form, so a square plus ab, so we can close into a plus b into a square b square into a4 plus b4 minus ab. So we can again a minus b and a plus b formula. So here we can a minus b, so which is a minus ab whole square, so we can close in this form. again here a power 4 minus b power 4, same a for 8 and b power 8 plus 2a4 b4 into a power 4 b power 4. When we open 2 to the 4, a to the 4, when we open this a plus b whole square, so we can a power 8 b power 8 plus 2a4 b power 8. Now we do subtract from here, so again plus a4 b4. So this factor same as again. Now we know that this formula we can again close by a power 3 and b power 4 3. So when we open this equation, again we can open by this factor. So this we close in this form, and this we close in a 3 is 12 and 4 3 is 12. So this is the LCM for of this factor. Question number 7 you will watch in next video.